We will tell you about the 10 best passive income ideas that could make you rich. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss the opportunity to become a millionaire. Now let's start. 1. Leasing out real estate, commercial or residential. Renting out real estate may bring in a consistent flow of money, but before you begin, you should be aware of the procedures and any hazards. First, you must decide what kind of real estate you want to rent out. Although commercial properties usually relate to office space or retail shops, residential properties may include apartments, homes, and even holiday rentals. Choosing the kind of property will need you to choose a good site. Finding a region in demand with prospective tenants in your target demographic may need some market research. You will have to get the licenses and permissions needed to run as a landlord in your area when you have located a good place. 2. Purchasing dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying companies may provide investors both steady income flow and the possibility of capital gains when the price of the company rises. One excellent approach to get income from your investment is to buy dividend-paying companies. Dividends are the usual way that these stocks distribute a part of their profits to shareholders. This could provide you a consistent income that helps lessen the impact of other investing risks. For long-term growth, dividend-paying stocks might be a wise option since they are often more steady than other investment categories. Sometimes they even provide tax benefits. If you want to know the best dividend-paying stocks, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button as we will soon upload a video on this topic. 3. Producing and marketing information products. Information goods, ebooks, online courses, etc. may be a terrific method to make passive money. Once a product is developed, the vendor need not do much more labor to sell it again. To succeed at it, however, you must accomplish a few things. First, you must provide excellent material that readers would really desire to purchase. This involves conceiving what your audience wants and needs, and then developing something to satisfy those demands. For people to readily follow it, it must also be well written and structured. Second, you must decide which platform to use to market your goods. Spend some time investigating the greatest choice for you from the many available. 4. Investing in Bitcoin. One approach to make passive money is to invest in cryptocurrencies. Several cryptocurrencies provide dividends or other incentives for keeping them, including staking rewards. Some things you should know before making a cryptocurrency investment. Understanding cryptocurrencies and its operations is crucial first. A digital or virtual money. A cryptocurrency controls the production of new units of the currency and utilizes encryption to safeguard its transactions. Mining, or adding and validating transaction data to a public ledger known as a blockchain, is the process that creates cryptocurrency. Bitcoins are made possible and safe by blockchain technology. For their labor in validating and processing transactions, miners are paid with Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency investments may be very rewarding as well as dangerous. 5. Setting up a high-yield savings account and putting the money in. Interest payments from opening an account with a high yield and investing the money may offer passive income. You may accelerate the accomplishment of your financial objectives and get more income on your money by investing in a high-yield account. When creating a high-yield savings account, there are a few things to remember, like selecting the appropriate bank or credit union and being aware of the account fees. Opening a high-yield savings account, however, is simple and well worth it if you've done your homework and selected the ideal account for you. 6. Creating and offering handmade goods or art online. An additional method to get passive money is to create and sell handcrafted products or artwork online. Online art and handmade craft sales are now simpler than ever thanks to the internet. Many sites let makers sell their goods, and many customers are glad to purchase from independent artists. Online artwork and handcrafted craft sales may be a terrific way to supplement income or even support oneself. Creating excellent products that people will want to purchase and marketing your work in a manner that will reach your intended market are the key. 7. Investing in platforms for peer-to-peer lending. Putting money into peer-to-peer lending systems may be a terrific approach to make passive money. You may put your money into loans issued to people or companies using these services. You, the investor, then get your money back along with the interest on these loans. If investing in peer-to-peer lending networks, there are a few factors to consider. Choosing a reliable platform and doing your crucial research are crucial first. Finding a well-established and reputable provider is crucial since there are many of them available. You also need to be aware of the hazards involved. Losses are a possibility with any investment. You may reduce your risk, however, if you distribute it across other platforms and diversify your assets. Remember, last, that peer-to-peer lending is not a fast way to become wealthy. You may not see a return on your long-term investment for some time. 8. Creating an app or game and marketing it in an app store. If a game or app is popular enough to provide continuous cash streams, developing it and selling it in an app store may also be a source of passive money. These days, there are a ton of ways to profit from applications and games. Making an app or game and selling it in an app store is one well-liked strategy. Particularly if you have a fantastic concept for a game or software that people would want to purchase, this might be a fantastic opportunity to make some additional money. You must register for an account with the App Store and then submit your game or app in order to sell it. People will be able to view and, if they so want, buy your goods once it is online. Every sale after that will result in a commission that you can utilize to boost your revenue or put back into your company. 9. Starting and making money from a blog. Creating a blog and making money off of it via affiliate marketing, advertising, or selling real or digital goods may also be a terrific way to make passive income. Gaining enough visitors to the blog to provide significant cash streams is the secret. There are a few things you should consider if you want to launch a blog and make money from it by selling physical or digital goods, affiliate marketing, or advertising. Your first step is to choose a specialty in which you have great interest. Writing material and developing a following around your subject will be made simpler by this. After determining a niche, you must choose a blogging platform. Do some study to identify the ideal choice for you from the several that are offered. It's time to begin writing once you've selected a platform and configured your blog. Write interesting, educational material that will appeal to your intended readership. 10. Participating in programs for affiliate marketing. Taking part in affiliate marketing schemes is yet another approach to get passive money. When someone uses your affiliate link to buy something, you will be paid. One excellent method to supplement income is to make money online using affiliate marketing companies. Become an affiliate to market goods and services on your website and be paid for each sale you make. Selecting an affiliate program that aligns with your specialty is crucial since there are so many of them. If you write about fashion, for instance, you may sign up as an affiliate for a clothesline. To begin going, register for an affiliate program and make a text or banner linked to the item or service you want to advertise. Next, provide the affiliate URL to your website. You'll be paid as individuals click on the link and buy something. We will soon tell you the best websites to do this, and we will also tell you how you could earn money online. But for that, you need to stay subscribed to our channel and also press the like button. Comment below if you are left with any queries, and click on the video appearing on the left side to know all the lessons you should teach your kids to make them rich.